Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add an eSIM on iPhone. First thing first, the first method is installing an eSIM via QR code. Go to Settings on your iPhone, Mobile Service. Tap on Add eSIM under your list of eSIMs, then select Use QR Code. Point your iPhone's camera at the QR code provided by your mobile network and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The second method, which is more manual, is to install an eSIM manually using activation codes in SMDP and address. Firstly, go to Settings on your iPhone, then Mobile Service or Cellular. Tap Add eSIM, then choose Use QR Code, then tap Enter the details manually at the bottom. Enter the SMDP plus address and activation code your provider sent, and if required, enter the confirmation code too. Just make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi before starting and keep the QR code or activation details handy. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.